Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, but don't want to give up the lifestyle you love, today's video is for you. I'm going to share monthly budgeting hacks that actually work, helping you save big without feeling deprived. Stick around because these tips are practical, easy to implement, and can make a huge difference in your financial life. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our money-saving tips. And don't forget to like this video if you're ready to take control of your finances while still enjoying life. Track your spending. The first step in any effective budgeting strategy is to know where your money is going. Sounds obvious, right? But most people skip this part and wonder why they run out of cash before the month ends. Start by tracking all your expenses for a month. Yes, every coffee, snack, and subscription counts. You can use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. Once you see your spending patterns, you'll be shocked at how much small stuff adds up. Pro tip: categorize your spending into needs, wants, and savings. This makes it easier to identify areas where you can cut back without affecting your lifestyle. Automate savings. The second hack is all about making saving effortless. Humans are great at spending but not so great at saving, so why not automate it? Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account the day you get paid. Even a small amount like $50 or $100 adds up over time. Another strategy is pay yourself first. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. When it's automatic, you won't even miss it, and it prevents the temptation to spend what you should be saving. Smart grocery shopping. Groceries can eat up a huge chunk of your budget, but with a few tweaks, you can slash your grocery bill without sacrificing quality. First, plan your meals for the week and make a shopping list. Stick to it. Impulse buys are budget killers. Second, buy in bulk for staples like rice, pasta, and frozen veggies. Third, consider store brands. They're often just as good as name brands, but cost much less. Apps like Ibotta or Rakuten can give you cash back on groceries, so why pay full price when you don't have to? Cut hidden expenses. Next, let's talk about those sneaky reoccurring expenses. Many of us pay for subscriptions we don't even use, streaming services, apps, or gym memberships. Audit these once a month and cancel anything unnecessary. Also, check your utility bills and insurance policies. Switching providers or negotiating rates can save hundreds per year. It's amazing how small changes like this can free up cash without changing your lifestyle. Lifestyle-friendly hacks. Budgeting doesn't mean living like a monk. You can still enjoy life while saving money. Look for free or low-cost entertainment like local events, hiking, or game nights at home. Use cashback and rewards credit cards wisely. If you pay your balance in full, you get perks without paying interest. Consider side hustles or passive income streams. Even a few extra $100 a month can make a huge difference. The key is small, consistent changes that don't make you feel deprived, but gradually build financial security. So there you have it. 5 simple hacks to save big without sacrificing your lifestyle. Track your spending, automate your savings, shop smart, cut hidden expenses, and enjoy lifestyle-friendly hacks. These strategies aren't about restriction. They're about making your money work for you. If you start implementing even just a couple of these tips this month, I promise you'll see results fast. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful, and let me know in the comments which budgeting hack you're going to try first. And of course, subscribe for more tips on living a financially savvy life without giving up the things you love. Thanks for watching.